Imagine waking up to financial freedom. No more early alarms or demanding bosses. What if a simple investment strategy could transform your life? That's exactly what we're exploring today. I'm breaking down how a one-time $20,000 investment in the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF could eventually grow from just $60 in monthly dividends to an incredible $6,000 per month, enough to replace your full-time job income. Like planting a seed that grows into a mighty oak, this strategy can transform modest beginnings into remarkable wealth. We'll compare the numbers side by side, revealing the massive difference dividend reinvestment makes to your financial future. Let's look at the hard numbers. A $20,000 investment in SCHD initially generates about $60 per month in dividends. That's right, just $60 monthly, which barely covers a decent dinner for two. When you compare this to the average American salary of $66,000 per year, or about $5,500 per month, the gap seems impossible to bridge. We're talking about a difference of over $5,400 every single month. This stark reality check is why many investors abandon dividend investing before giving it a fair chance. They calculate the initial income, see the massive shortfall compared to their salary needs, and walk away convinced that dividend stocks are an impractical income replacement strategy. But this surface-level analysis misses the true potential of SCHD as a long-term wealth-building tool. To understand why, we need to examine what makes this ETF special. Think of SCHD as an exclusive financial club with a strict doorman. Not every dividend-paying company gets in. Only those with impeccable credentials make the cut. SCHD currently offers a 3.48% dividend yield, significantly higher than the S&P 500's average. This impressive yield comes from a carefully curated portfolio of 100 high-quality dividend stocks, each having demonstrated unwavering commitment to shareholder returns. For entry into this exclusive financial club, companies must have paid dividends consistently for at least 10 years, proving their reliability through various economic cycles. They also need a market cap of at least $500 million, ensuring they're established businesses with substantial resources. The results of this rigorous selection process are evident in SCHD's top holdings. AbbVie, 4.71% of the fund, maintains strong pharmaceutical industry presence with reliable cash flows. Coca-Cola, 4.66%, has increased dividends for over 60 consecutive years. Amgen and Cisco Systems, 4.5% and 4.4% respectively, generate substantial free cash flow supporting their dividend payments. Another significant advantage is SCHD's remarkably low expense ratio of just 0.06%, meaning more of your money works for you over time. The fund's substantial $70.33 billion asset base demonstrates investor confidence in this strategy. Additionally, SCHD's recent 3-for-1 stock split in October 2024 made it more accessible to smaller investors without changing the fundamental value of existing investments. Despite these impressive attributes, we still face that fundamental challenge. $60 monthly in dividends falls dramatically short of replacing a full-time job. This is where most investors make a critical mistake. They focus solely on the current dividend amount rather than understanding the growth trajectory. What transforms this seemingly inadequate investment into something potentially life-changing is what you do with those dividends over time. Instead of spending those $60 monthly payments, what if you use them to purchase more SCHD shares? Each reinvested dividend buys more shares, generating more dividends, which buy even more shares. This creates a powerful snowball effect that accelerates your wealth building over time. The compounding grows slowly at first, almost imperceptibly, but gains momentum with each passing year. To truly understand how a modest $20,000 investment could eventually replace your salary, we need to explore the mathematical magic of dividend reinvestment and see how the numbers play out over time. The transformation doesn't happen overnight. It rewards patience and consistency above all else. What if I told you that the difference between $60 and $6,000 in monthly income comes down to one simple decision you make with your dividends? This isn't an exaggeration or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's the mathematical reality of dividend reinvestment that most investors overlook. Let me introduce you to the concept of dividend reinvestment plans, commonly known as DRIPs. Think of DRIPs like a snowball rolling downhill, starting small but gathering mass and momentum with each revolution. These plans automatically use your dividend payments to purchase additional shares of the fund instead of depositing cash into your account. With SCHD, this process happens seamlessly. To understand how powerful this approach is, let's compare two identical $20,000 investments in SCHD. In Scenario 1, you collect and spend each dividend payment. In Scenario 2, you reinvest every dividend. Here's what happens. If SCHD pays a quarterly dividend of $175 based on a 3.5% yield, that money buys roughly 2.3 additional shares at $75 per share. Those new shares then generate their own dividends in the next quarter, adding to your snowball. The magic of DRIP investing comes from this compounding effect. Your money works in three ways simultaneously. Your original shares generate dividends. Your newly purchased shares produce their own dividends. And as the share price appreciates, the value of all your shares increases. SCHD's historical metrics make this particularly effective. The fund maintains a solid 3.48% dividend yield, which is respectable on its own. Furthermore, SCHD's average dividend growth rate of 11.04% over the past decade means the fund consistently increases its dividend payments year after year. Combined with annual share price appreciation of 7.69%, you have three separate growth engines working together. Initially, the difference between these approaches appears minimal. After 1 year, both investments would be worth approximately $22,000, with the DRIP investment ahead by just a few $100s. Many investors question whether reinvesting is worth foregoing the immediate gratification of spending those dividend checks. By years 5 through 10, the compounding effect becomes more visible. At the 10-year mark, a $20,000 investment without DRIP would grow to around $42,000, while the same investment with DRIP reaches about $61,000. The difference is widening, yet many investors still don't see this as transformative. A $19,000 difference after a decade of patience might not seem revolutionary. This is why most investors give up before reaching the exponential growth phase. Our brains struggle to grasp exponential growth. We're wired to think linearly, expecting consistent, predictable patterns. But compound growth accelerates dramatically over time. The crucial period is years 15 to 30, where the compounding effect explodes. By year 20, the DRIP investment is pulling away at an accelerating rate. Each year, the gap widens more than the previous year. This is where patience transforms from a virtue into a financial superpower. DRIP investing is the essential catalyst that transforms a modest $20,000 investment into a potential job replacement. Without reinvestment, your initial investment cannot generate enough income to replace a full-time salary. With reinvestment, you create a wealth-building machine that gains momentum over time. Now let's see exactly how those numbers play out over a full 30-year period and witness the remarkable difference between spending and reinvesting your dividends. Would you believe that after 30 years, the difference between reinvesting and not reinvesting your dividends isn't just double or triple, it's nearly 5 times greater? This isn't a theoretical scenario or an overly optimistic projection. This is the mathematical reality of compounding at work over 3 decades with SCHD's historical performance. The transformation that dividend reinvestment creates is nothing short of remarkable. Before diving into the exact numbers, understand what awaits at the end of this 30-year journey. The potential to completely replace your salary with passive income while your initial investment grows into a wealth-generating powerhouse. SCHD's historical performance tells a compelling story. with a 3.48% dividend yield, 11.04% dividend growth rate, and 7.69% annual share price appreciation. These real-world figures provide a solid foundation for our projections using a $20,000 initial investment. First, let's look at the no-drip approach, where you collect and spend all dividend payments. After 30 years, your initial $20,000 grows to approximately $185,000 through share price appreciation alone. This nearly 10 times return on your initial investment would satisfy many investors. From this $185,000 portfolio, you'd receive about $16,000 in annual dividends based on SCHD's yield, roughly $1,333 per month in passive income. While significant, this falls well short of replacing the average American salary of $5,500 per month. Despite 3 decades of patience, this approach doesn't achieve financial independence. Now, contrast this with the DRIP strategy, where every dividend payment is automatically reinvested to purchase additional shares. After the same 30 years, your $20,000 investment grows to a staggering $898,000, nearly 5 times larger than the non-DRIP approach using the exact same starting amount and investment vehicle. This $898,000 portfolio generates approximately $70,000 in annual dividends. That's about $6,000 in monthly passive income, comfortably exceeding our target of $5,500 to replace the average American salary. What about inflation? SCHD's dividend growth rate has historically outpaced inflation, with an average annual dividend increase of 11.04% compared to the historical inflation rate of roughly 2 to 3%. Your purchasing power actually increases over time rather than diminishes. The power of this approach is that it requires no additional capital beyond your initial investment. The compounding effect does all the heavy lifting, transforming a modest sum into financial independence. Many investors underestimate how powerful dividend reinvestment becomes in the later years. The transformation is exponential, not linear. In the final few years, your portfolio adds more value than it did in the first 2 decades combined. This is why giving up in the early years is so costly. While your neighbors might continue trading their time for money in their 60s, you could be enjoying complete freedom from the necessity to work. Your money works for you, rather than you working for money. This approach is about making one intelligent decision today, automating the process through dividend reinvestment, and allowing time to work its magic. The path requires discipline to stay the course when progress seems slow in the early years. But what if you don't have $20,000 to start with? Let's look at some alternative approaches that can still lead to impressive results because the principles of divided growth investing work regardless of your starting point. What if you could achieve similar results with less than $20,000 up front? Or what if you could reach your financial independence goal even faster by adding regular contributions? Not everyone has $20,000 sitting around to invest immediately, and that's completely okay. There are several alternative approaches that can still help you build substantial dividend income over time. Let's explore manageable investment strategies that fit your current financial situation. Investing consistently is often more accessible than waiting to accumulate a large lump sum. For example, contributing $90 weekly into SCHD with dividend reinvestment enabled requires only about $360 per month, significantly more manageable for most people. Alternatively, you might start with a smaller foundation like $5,000 and add $200 monthly. The key advantage is flexibility. You can adjust your contribution amount as your financial situation evolves. These regular contribution strategies offer a powerful benefit through dollar cost averaging. I saw this firsthand with a client who invested $400 monthly through the 2008 financial crisis. While others panicked, his consistent buying at lower prices meant he owned significantly more shares when the market recovered, accelerating his long-term returns compared to friends who invested lump sums at higher prices. Before implementing any investment approach, it's important to understand potential challenges. Market volatility is inevitable. SCHD will experience ups and downs. During downturns, your portfolio value will temporarily decrease. This is when many investors make the costly mistake of selling in panic. Remember that market declines actually accelerate wealth building when reinvesting dividends, as your dividends purchase more shares at lower prices. Tax implications matter too. In taxable accounts, you'll owe taxes on dividends even if reinvested. This makes dividend ETFs potentially more efficient in tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs. However, qualified dividends receive preferential tax treatment even in taxable accounts, which helps mitigate this concern. SCHD offers significant advantages for long-term investors. Its low 0.06% expense ratio means you pay just $6 annually per $10,000 invested, compared to actively managed dividend funds charging 0.75% or higher. The fund's high liquidity with 12 to 14 million shares traded daily provides valuable flexibility if you need to access your investment. While SCHD provides built-in diversification through its 100 holdings, consider buying a broader portfolio that includes different asset classes and investment styles based on your goals and risk tolerance. To implement this strategy based on your situation, 1. Determine your available initial investment. 2. Set up automatic contributions that fit your budget. 3. Enable dividend reinvestment in your brokerage account. 4. Commit to a long-term time horizon, 20+ years, for optimal results. 5. Resist selling during market downturns. 6. Consider tax implications when choosing account types. 7. Review your strategy annually without making frequent changes. The power of compounding works regardless of your starting point. It simply requires time and consistency to reach its full potential. Now that we've seen how strategic investment in SCHD can replace your salary through various approaches, let's wrap up with the key takeaways from this investment strategy. The transformation from $60 to $6,000 monthly with SCHD isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making one smart decision today and letting time do the heavy lifting through dividend reinvestment. The numbers don't lie. 30 years of patience transforms a modest investment into financial freedom. What would you do when you no longer have to clock in each day? This approach gives you something your job never can: the choice to work because you want to, not because you have to. The most important step is simply to start today. Compounding transforms even a small investment into life-changing wealth, but only when given enough time to work its magic.